Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is kind of an unboxing because I have already unboxed these products and I have used them a couple times. I wanted to kind of familiarize myself with them first, but I was contacted by Stylevana and they asked me if I would like to try some of their products and review them for you guys. So of course I said yes, that would be amazing. Stylevana is a website that has Korean skincare, they have makeup, they have fashion accessories, just a lot of products are on their website and it looks amazing. You can go on and buy just an individual product or you can buy pre-made bundles of goodies, and I saw bundles that range from like $23 to $45, and it's from like skincare sets, makeup sets, anything you could possibly want to put on your face or body. So we're going to dive into the things they sent me, and here they are. And like I said, I've already opened some of these and tried them. So I'm going to start first with this one, which is, and it's kind of hard to show because it's hollow. Let me see if I can clean it zero. This is a cleansing balm original. Now I've not tried this one yet because I've not been wearing makeup. I have not had on makeup the last couple days, so I haven't tried this one out yet. But as soon as I put on some makeup, we're going to try it. So inside the box, it came with a little cap to put on the inside once you've opened it, and a little spatula. So I'm going to lay that over here, and I have opened it and smelled it and touched it. It has just a very slight fragrance, and it's just kind of clean and not overpowering at all. It's very nice, and it looks, you know, like a balm. And when you touch it, it begins to melt with the heat of your skin, and I'm just going to rub it on the back. So it's very light, it's not greasy, it just feels nice, and it feels nice. I can't wait to try this on my face to take off my makeup. And of course you would probably use the little spatula to scoop some out to rub on your face, because that little bit is not going to be enough, but it feels really nice. I can't wait to try that. I will have links for everything down below, and if you'd like to make a purchase from Stylevana, I do have a discount code for you guys. It is INF10 Moody, and I'll leave it right here for you guys. INF10 Moody. And that will save you 10% off of your purchase, 15% if your purchase is more than $59 US. I'll also have the links down below for the products I'm showing you. I'll have the links below for not only the United States, but other countries like France, the UK, Canada. There'll be several listed down below for you guys to make it super easy. Let's see what next. Let's do this one because I need this one. This is the Cintella Green Level Eye Cream, and I know this box is going to be kind of hard for you guys to see because it's on cardboard and the writing is kind of faint or pale. But it says a core ingredient is Cintella, and it is 49% Cintella, and I've wanted to look this up. I've seen some videos on the ingredient Cintella, and apparently it's really good for your skin. It deeply moisturizes around the eye. There is some peptides, there's some acids that I can't pronounce, but it's all on this packaging. A lot of your information will be written in Korean, and I can't read that. I mean, like this right here, if you guys can see, I can't read that. But here is the front. You might can see that better. So you guys know, I have been fighting like some serious under eye baggage the last couple months. So I want to give this a whirl. We'll see what it does. I'm just tapping a little out between my fingers. Yes, I know. Use your ring finger, Shannon. Well, I'm just barely tapping, so we're okay. And I do kind of take this up to like crow's feet area, even though I don't have crow's feet area, you know, yet. It does smell like it has something very herbal in it. but not like terrible. It doesn't smell good. It smells good. It just smells like there is something herbal in there. Okay, next up is, let's do this one. And I think this is pronounced Anook. I could be wrong. I don't know. Somebody correct me down in the bottom. Let me know. And this is, talking about Earl, the Green Tree Relief Toner. I have used this one. This has 67% tea tree leaf water. It has the Cintella in it as well, which is 19.5. So I like how they kind of tied everything together in this box, and the ingredients work well together. But I have used this toner. I do like this toner. I like green tea. As you guys know, I have psoriasis on my skin. I have it on my face. I don't know if you can see some peeking through my eye right there. I have it around my nose. I get it around my mouth. But tea tree is really good for skin issues like psoriasis, eczema. It's just really good for calming the skin and helping with those issues. The next product goes along with that product. So that's why I said very nice how they kind of put this box together for me. This is the same brand. And this is the Tea Tree Relief Serum. And we're getting ready to put that on. It says powerful relief, natural moisturizing, soothing care, brightening, and wrinkle care. And of course, I need brightening. You guys know I have some discoloration around my eyes. I have freckles. And I am starting to get some fine lines at the 49 years of age that I am. So again, the box is mostly in Korean, and everything was sealed. That was another fantastic thing. Every single product the box was sealed, the inner container was sealed, everything was sealed, and I really liked that. And also another thing is it shows on every package your expiration. It also has on every package your expiration, which this one is kind of torn off, but I can see it says 09 of 23. So I like that too. Everything has an expiration. It tells you how good the shelf life is for. Everything was sealed. It is very good. It also has the expiration on the bottom. So, I mean, that's, you know, stamped on the box. So, very nicely done on that one. Here is the serum. I'll show you guys that. Very nicely packaged. Glass bottle again. It's very nicely packaged. There is your information of your shelf life, recyclable, all that stuff. It is a dropper. So let's use this one because I have absolutely nothing on my face except a little bit of pimple cream there. I think I dripped a little bit down, but it'll be okay. This, let me get it on and let it start to dry. Has no tea tree smell. You know how some, same with the toner. There's no strong smell of tea tree. And tea tree can be very aromatic, very herbal, a very strong scent. This has no strong, I did drip that on me. Oh, I hope it doesn't show up on my shirt because then I'll have to change my shirt. And this shirt was perfect for this outfit. There's no strong tea tree odor because it can be very overwhelming in some products. This is not sticky. As you guys can see that, it's already dry. It's not sticky at all. You've heard me say many, many times, I do not like serums that are sticky because all I want to do is go wash my face because it feels like it doesn't dry. It just stays sticky. But this dries down beautifully. And I'm not feeling anything weird. I've had serums before that made my skin kind of tingle or be kind of stingy or just feel very strong. This is not doing any of that. So I can't wait to continue using that. Next up, yeah, we'll do this one. MQNY, I believe is the correct. It looks like O. It looks almost like money, but I believe it's a Q. It's got a little tail. Fuel Focus, MQNY. This is a matte finish UV protection SPF PA+++, 50+. Sun shield whitening. I'm not exactly sure what that means. Anti-wrinkle. That's good though. And it is a primer, so you can use this under your makeup. Again, the majority of the box is in Korean, but there is an English side. Thank you so much for that. A non-sticky, oil-free, and smooth finish protects your skin from sweat and oil for a long time and can double as a makeup base to naturally cover skin tone and texture. How to use. At the last step of skincare, apply gently over entire face, and you can use it on your face as well on areas to block the UVs. Now, I would just do this on my face because it is not that big of a container to do like your whole entire body. I'm going to use a little bit of moisturizer now that my serum has kind of set in and dried. And this is just the that Saturday Skin Waterfall. Just a little bit, because we're getting ready to, I'm not going to put that on my whole face. I'm not going to be outside. I'm going to be at work. So, there's no point in, like, I don't want to, like, waste an entire face of UV protectant if I'm not going to be, like, needing it. But here's what the package looks like. Again, it had a seal on the inside. It has the expiration date here on the box. And it's mostly in Korean on the package. It's all Korean on the back on the package. So here's what it looks like. I have had it on my face. It feels really nice. It is slightly tinted, but once you rub it in, the tint, you're really not going to see that tint. It is thick, but it is not overly thick. Do you guys see? And I put way too much on the back of my hand. So I'm just going to rub it in just to show you guys. It does disappear very well into the skin. There's no like severe white overcast. I just put on too much. That's all that was. I'm just rubbing it in, guys. But yeah, like no severe white overcast on the skin. Again, it doesn't feel sticky or tacky or anything weird. It doesn't really have a scent. Very, very faint scent. I really like that these products are not heavily scented perfume. It's just a very nice, not baby powderish, but kind of powdery scent. So not bad at all. I'll definitely be wearing that this summer. And then the last thing that they sent is a blueberry honey overnight mask, and I've not tried this yet, and I do love an overnight mask. It's just a little packet. I don't know if this is like a sample or if this is like the full size. I would think this is a sample. I don't know. But it is Fredia. I'm not sure. Derived from fruits, blueberry honey overnight mask. Some of this is in English. There's that expiration date on it again. Let's see, Fredia blueberry overnight mask, RV to W, which is trademarked, cold processed juice technology, skin irritation tested, honey coated blueberry sleeping mask, saturated with moisture. And then there's the directions. So I could probably get two. I could possibly get two out of this because there's quite a bit in this little packet. So I'm going to give that a go too. And that is everything they sent to me. Thank you guys so much for sending this. And I'm feeling good. My skin's looking good. It's looking healthy. Got a good glow going on. And I'm just going to set my goodies here. And let me know down below if you guys have shopped Stylevana yet, or if you've already gotten some things. Let me know how you liked them. If you have any recommendations for me to go, or my followers to go and check out, something you absolutely love, leave it down below too. I will have all the links you guys need. Don't forget, my code is INF10 Moody. That'll save you 10% at checkout or 15% on purchases over $59 US, and I'll have all the links down below for everything you saw today. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to Stylevana for sending this to me. I'm loving everything so far. I will do an update on these products in about 30 days. I'm going to use these. I will confess, I am not like a religious skincare person, even though I preach to you guys, use your skincare. And I do use my skincare. But I do not have like a set, everyday, set in stone skincare ritual. I moisturize, I use my eye cream, I use my serums, but I switch it up. You know, just depending on my mood. And these are going to go into my rotation. I'm going to try to focus on these products for 30 days. I am working on a skincare pan. I'm going to kind of set those to the side and finish, kind of round that one up and start on these. So my skincare pan, I will do a follow-up video on that so you guys can see where I got. And this will be in the rotation for about the next 30 days, and I'll be using this, and we'll do a follow-up video on how everything has been working. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you guys so much for helping me hit 2K. There will be some giveaway videos coming up, and I'm excited. There's going to be 3 giveaways. 3. You guys knew a makeup and skincare video or giveaway going. There is going to be a Pandora bracelet giveaway for international, and there's going to be a wig giveaway for the United States. So stay tuned for those giveaways. You never know when they're going to pop up. It could be at the end of a video. It could be a dedicated video. So just be sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, turn the notifications on so you don't miss one of those giveaways. I'll see you guys on the next one.